Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Docker is a powerful tool that allows developers to package applications and their dependencies into containers, ensuring consistency across different environments. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Docker for Python development. We'll cover setting up a Docker environment, creating a Docker file, building Docker images, and running containers for Python development. Before you begin, ensure that you have Docker installed on your system. You can download and install Docker Desktop from the official Docker website, https://www.docker.com/products/docker-desktop. To start using Docker for Python development, you need to set up a Docker environment. This environment consists of a Docker file, which defines the configuration of your Docker image, and any additional files required for your project. Create a simple Python script named app.py within your project directory. Create a file named dockerfile within your project directory. This file defines the configuration of your Docker image. Once you've set up your Docker environment, you can build a Docker image using the Docker file you created. Create a file named requirements.txt within your project directory to specify any Python dependencies your project requires. For this example, we don't have any dependencies, so leave the file empty. Run the following command to build your Docker image. This command builds a Docker image named Python Docker example using the Docker file in the current directory. Once you've built your Docker image, you can run Docker containers based on that image. Run the following command to start a Docker container based on the Python Docker example image. You should see the output hello, Docker, which is the result of running the app.py script within the Docker container. In this tutorial, you've learned how to use Docker for Python development. You've set up a Docker environment, created a Docker file, built a Docker image, and ran a Docker container for Python development. Docker enables you to streamline your development process and ensure consistency across different environments. Experiment with Docker to explore its full potential for your Python projects. ChatGPT